So I'm going to do a coil cleaning on this unit today. I'm not going to separate the coils. I'm just going to do a basic cleaning. Weather's getting hotter, and so it doesn't actually look bad, but I want you to contrast before and after, and then you'll realize how bad off it actually is. So I spray it with water first, just to get the pollen and the loose, easy stuff off, and I've already done that, but I wanted to show you. So you can see there's some grease splatters, these dark spots from when they clean the hoods right there. It splatters on here. So once you wet that, this connects here, and then I've got my foaming coil cleaner in there. Then you dial this up where E is the highest concentration and A is the lowest. It says on here, so B is 4:1. Nope, the other way. So E is the weakest setting. B is 4:1, C is 6:1, D is 9:1. This isn't so bad, so I'll put it on D. All right. And then this is going to work into the coils. Look at. Doesn't look dirty though, does it? Got all that gunk in the coils. Get this corner good. What I'm actually going to do for camera purposes is I'm only going to do this half of the coil. That way you can contrast side by side. Get that dirt. Yes, the liquid is also brown, but you can tell the difference between just the brown liquid and the amount of dirt that's in that stuff. Turn it up to C. Really blow a heavier chemical load in. The deeper we can get it, the better. All right, put that in there. All right, we're just gonna let it sit. You can see that foam is gonna foam up and push out all the garbage, and we'll rinse it off. We'll give it 5 minutes and I'll be back with you. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I actually opted to remove the screws from that fan because that lets me spray the inside as well, and it's gonna let me hop in there and do both sides. So just by removing that one fan, it's also going to allow me to spray the water from the inside out, which is going to be an ideal way, final step to take. But I just want you to realize all of this gunk as I rinse this. I want you to see the... Remember, this coil did not look dirty. All right, so we'll run this in like quadruple time here. Here we go. Alright, so normal speed. There's your side-by-side. A coil that doesn't look dirty to a coil that's actually clean. Also, kind of more importantly, I don't know if you'll catch it, but you can see through this coil to the outside. You can see the sun shine through it. So we'll get good airflow. So there you go. Magic. So there you go. A basic coil cleaning. An in-depth coil cleaning would have gotten here before they're open, pulled all the fans out, done everything, split the coils. But you can see all of this particulate. They're doing construction across the street, building apartments, the pollen. So all of the coils on the roof are really struggled being plugged up. Don't just look at coils and think they're clean.